Hey, hey, hey. I'm back tonight for dinner. I'm making some chicken wings. I'm doing it a little bit different than I normally make my chicken wings. So I already done them. I seasoned them. I'm also doing chicken legs, but y'all know my seasonings. What I use. This is what I seasoned my chicken with. Bluetooth communication. What the heck is this thing talking about? Anyway, so here go all of my seasonings that I seasoned my chicken with. My chicken legs and my chicken wings. This is the flour that I'm using for both of them. And I'm also using a little bit of cornstarch for both of them. So what I did with my chicken wings was that I already seasoned them up, and then I dumped my flour over it with like 1 full spoon of that cornstarch. I mixed it up really good, and then I poured about a cup of water into the bowl and just mixed it up really good. It's really messy, but this is what it looks like, and it's going to give you like a battered. So this is my first time doing my chicken wings. Normally I don't put any wetness in it. I'm recording now. So normally I don't put any wetness in it, so it's interesting to see how this comes out. Now for my chicken legs, I already seasoned them, but what I did is I lollipopped some of the chicken legs, and I'm going to show you how I did it, and this is how it looks. It looks just like a lollipop. So I did quite a few, but if you just, it is time consuming. So if you just want to do a few for yourself, just from presentation, you can, but I use the same seasonings on my chicken legs that I did on my chicken wings. I'm not going to do any wetness to it. This is my flour and like 2 of those spoonfuls of cornstarch in here. And I'm going to just fry it. So I come back once everything is done. So what you do is you cut around the bottom of the chicken until it's all separated. And then what you want to do is, if you have any of these strings that's hanging, just cut them off. And then this part right here, you have to take it all off. This is where the time-consuming part comes in. Trying to get this piece off. You see how it's coming off. Honey, what temperature did you put the oil on? What temperature did you put the oil on? You good? I'm still recording, but you could talk. Did you put it on like a medium? Medium high? No, I want it to also be hot enough. So see, took it off. Then what you do is you take your knife and push it up. So that is your lollipop chicken leg. And you season it, put it in your flour, and go from there. So I'm gonna drop this in with the rest of my chicken legs and mix it up with the seasonings. And once I am finished cooking everything, I will show you a presentation on how everything turned out. And with that being said, peace.